Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss again about scaling with Facebook ads, but this time from a different angle, creatives. Now, I know that a lot of times people talk and they say that creatives are very important for Facebook, and yes, they are super important. And a lot of times we tend to neglect the creatives and we say, okay, I'm going to try the crazy method, I'm going to try this, I'm going to try that. I do believe in different methods, this is why I teach them, but I also believe in scaling with creatives. And a lot of times people don't listen to me, but the people that they do listen to me, they have crazy results. Let me break down what is happening. There are two different ways to scale. There is the way that you're scaling with different methods, so you're finding some creatives that are working and you're testing different methods in order to target different hot pockets in the market. The crazy method is all about that. But there are ways to also scale with different creatives. So you might find one campaign that is working for you, and each time you're using different creatives, targeting the same hot pockets, but with different penetration to the market, to those. For example, let's say that we are selling one car, okay, and we are having one video that we are showing the car, so we are showing the aesthetics part. This is something that is going to convince the people that they are looking the looks of the car and they don't care about the specs. Let's say that this campaign that is working in a hot pocket and we are having sales, we're doing another video that we're doing another campaign with, which means that now we have two campaigns with different creatives in each one of them, and this time we're just showing the specs of the car. And then we are targeting more people so that they are more interested in the specs of the car instead of just being interested in the car and how it looks. And then we show another creative that we created, and we are showing that somebody is driving with a very beautiful lady next to him, so we are showing the lifestyle that you can have with this car. So we're having another penetration to the market, another initiation of another hot pocket of people that they do care about buying a car and have a certain lifestyle with it, and so on and so on and so on. So as you can understand, having different methods is all about the different penetration that you can have to the market based on the different targeting that you can do and the hot pockets. That's all about crazy method and lookalikes and stuff, different ways. But having different creatives, it's all about having penetration to the market from different angles and convincing people that they are interested for different things. They might like the same product, but they would be interested from different video hooks that they are going to convince them about how they're going to use the product. Why the creatives aspect and the creative scaling, it's more important than the others? Well, it's more important because if you have this, you can take and you can apply it here. But you cannot apply what you are having with different methods as a scaling to the other side of the creative scaling if you don't have the creatives. This is why I'm always telling that creatives are very important, and if you have a lot of them, you can actually scale your business if your product is good and your numbers make sense always. But if you have something that is working and you don't have a lot of creatives, or you don't have a lot of posting, which is also very important because you can use the post IDs also as creatives, then you are just leaving money on the table, and this is something that is not going to help you scale. That being said, let's conclude. It's very good that you are having Konstantinos or someone else to teach you some different methods in order to see how you can penetrate or scale your business and penetrate the market more. It's better to have a lot of creatives because it's going to help you to have better penetration of the market, because you can sell one item by just showing a use of it, you can sell it by showing another use of it, another use of it, another use of it, and these different creatives are going to help you convince in this market to have better penetration, because you're going to convince more people with the different creatives. With the methods, it's not going to happen because your initiation point is the one creative that you have. But if you have a lot of creatives, you have more penetration to the market because you're convincing more people with different aspects of the product and different usages and different ways to convince them to buy it. One last note. There are a lot of cases that I'm working with businesses, I'm scaling with my different methods, and then we're just hitting a barrier. As we said also on this channel, Facebook is going to stop you if you cannot scale more, it's going to give you less ROAS and so on. But in all of these cases, when the company was providing me with new creatives and stuff, I was able to scale even more. So it's very important, if you have a company, you're going to hire more people that are going to do creatives for you, because this is going to help you scale. If you hit a barrier and you cannot scale anymore, the creatives is a solution for you. And this is something that maybe you don't want to admit, because you just want to have another crazy method that's going to help you scale more, but this is not the truth. Either you're going to find more products to sell, or you're going to find more creatives if Facebook doesn't let you to scale more. And I can tell you that in all of the cases that the company was not providing me with other creatives, I wasn't able to scale more. The two cases that I was able to scale more, it was when they were giving to me creatives, or when they were finding other products to introduce inside the funnel so that we can do ads for other products also. So that's all I had about creatives and how you can scale with them. I'm having a lot of videos in this channel on how you can use all of these creatives in order to scale even more when you are going to have them. But having creatives is very important. Having a very good presence in your social media with posting and stuff is also something that is going to help you a lot, because guess what? More posts is also more creatives that you can use in your ads. Don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my free course. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.